Hey, what's up, team? Good morning, good morning. Hope y'all are doing well today. I appreciate the thought yesterday. Hey, what's up, Bubba? What's up, Monta, David, Nancy, Ty, Jason, Rigo, Stock, Kyle, Nick. What's up, team? How's my wife? She's good. So basically, she went to the pulmonologist. Not yesterday. She went to the pulmonologist sometime in the last 3 days. I can't remember the exact date. And they switched her off of her. She's on Advair. And she was on Advair and Singulair because she has really bad asthma, right? And so she's on Advair and Singulair, and they took her off of that, and they put her on some new. I can't remember what it was called. It was like Brio or something like that. I can't remember the exact name of the medicine they put her on. But as she switched, she said she's just struggling. And so I had to stay with her yesterday. She was on the phone with her doctor. She's thinking about just getting the allergy shots with it, but we don't know exactly what she's going to do yet. So that's the issues that I'm dealing with right now. But she's okay right now. What's up, Coach? What's up, Bubba? What's up, man? You don't have a, no. Go get dressed for school, buddy. There you go. Alright. Yeah, so we do have some movers today. We're going to be trading in pre-market. I got a lot of equity finally freed back up in Thinkorswim. So we're going to be trading. I don't know if I'm going to trade pre-market actually, but we're going to trade some. Right now, KTOV popping off here this morning. KTOV. This one looks interesting to me. I like the $1 level. It's too high right now. Maybe if it breaks 123, I can trade it some. TBIO. Gapping up, we got BRN, which is, I like this one a little bit better. We're going to watch BRN. We've got FFHL here. Gapping up from 469 to 712. We got NDRA gapping up some. I don't like this one. The volume's just not there. But we do have some gap ups today. Just to drop the news that we found out. Just to drop the news that happened in the futures market yesterday. So this is basically the news that dropped in the futures market yesterday, okay? Number one is that a reporter asked one of the White House secretaries, I believe it was one of the White House secretaries, they asked one of this guy, this White House secretary, they said, hey, let me see, I had the quote here, let me see, it said something like, Martha McCallan said, do you think the president sort of wanted to hang on this, okay, so she said, do you think that the president, I know he sort of wanted to hang on to this trade deal as long as possible, so forth and so on. Given everything that has happened, is all of that over? And his response was, yes, it is over. And if you watch the futures market yesterday, late yesterday, you'll see a drastic drop after the guy said that. Now, we kind of rebounded a little bit, and he came back and said that he was taken out of context with that quote. But that quote was there. She basically said, hey, is the trade deal over? Is the trade deal, DOA? And he said, yes, it's over. But then he retracted that, and so it's a little iffy, but, the market is actually up right now. I'll have to find out that exact quote. But the market's actually up, believe it or not. We're up to 314s. So yeah, it's interesting for sure. Let's go ahead and look at some of these news on some of these stocks right here, because I'm looking to trade some of these maybe. I don't mind this one. This is probably my favorite one right now. It's not super extended. I don't hate a dip buy, but we're going to consider it. I think I would rather trade at the open, though, than pre-market. I think I've had better results trading at the open. Trading penny stocks at the open have done far better than trading penny stocks in pre-market. Oh man, that's rough, Wilton. What's up, RKD? What's up, brother? Yeah, I guess it's Brio. I can't remember what the name of it. Nancy, it's something like that. But again, like she struggles. Like she can't. My wife is highly allergic to everything. Luckily, I think most of my kids took after me in that regard, where I'm not allergic to anything that I know of. You know, probably because my house was a straight zoo growing up. I had way too many animals growing up. I had dogs. We raised quail. I grew up in the South Louisiana, but with that, now I'm not allergic to anything because I had a million animals growing up. My wife's allergic to everything, so I wish I could have a dog, but I can't, unfortunately. But yeah, BRN gapping up some. What's up, Bubba? What's up, dude? Yeah, that's what they say, Wilton. I'm not saying yes or no. I'm just quoting what they said yesterday. And I think that's the interesting dynamic here. Let's take a look at BRN. BRN. This is Barnwell Industries. They put out second quarter results with a narrower loss in revenue that went up. They mulled potential sale of the non-core oil and gas properties. So good second quarter results, a narrower, a smaller loss, basically. Revenue that went up. And so that's the good news for BRN, was positive second quarter results. I like the catalyst here. You know what? I might take a little bit, just a little bit, like 100 shares here. It's 100 shares. We're gonna buy 100 shares of this. I like the level. I like the catalyst. I like the technicals. I'm gonna get out on the bid, jump in on the asking price. We're gonna buy the ask and sell the bid. That's reasonable. Yep, we're gonna buy the ask price right here. Oh no, wait, that ain't gonna work. We gotta put EXT. We're gonna buy the ask price. Boom, filled. All right. All right, so we're holding 100 shares. So that's it, just 100 shares of this one. Ideal situation is we bounce over this 134 level. We break under 134. I'm gonna get out for like a $10 loss, and that's all it really is. So not a huge trade. We get a small win in this, and I'm gonna jump out. But yeah, so that's the news for BIO. I like the catalyst. Again, it was a good earnings that came out. We also have TBIO here. TBIO, which is Translate Bio, and they put out a release that said they're going to develop vaccines for infectious diseases, and they had an expanded deal with Sanofi. They announced an expanded collaboration and license agreement with Francis Sanofi SA. So it's a collaboration agreement with TBIO and Sanofi. So we'll see what happens with TBIO. Is gapping up some. The big news that everybody's talking about, though, the stock that everybody's watching, all the cool kids want to be him. It's KTOV, gapping up from 76 cents all the way to 117. Ridiculously huge percentage moves here for KTOV. Late yesterday, or sometime yesterday, they put out FDA acceptance of their investigational new drug application to conduct the phase 1 and 2 clinical trial of their N219 in multiple advanced types of cancer patients. And so, yeah, FDA acceptance yesterday for KTOV, and it is absolutely ripping up huge percentage moves. The curious spot for this one, the area I really want to see if it holds, is $1. $1.
Daddy, where's my shoes?
Huh?
Where's my shoes?
Where's your shoe?
My shoes.
Your shoes? I don't know. You can't wear a jacket though, dude. It's hot outside. It's the summertime. You can't wear that. I know it's cool. I like the jacket too. You look cool, man. What can I say?
Can I just wear it?
No, you can't wear it. It's too hot. You'll get overheated in that. You want to see what my son's asking to wear? Come on in. Come on the show.
No.
My son's asking to wear a winter jacket. It's a cool rocket ship jacket. It is. I love it. Listen, I'm being honest. I love your jacket. It's a cool rocket ship jacket. You look like the coolest kid ever. The problem is that it's hot and you're going to overheat. It's summertime. We're in Texas, buddy. It's like 90 something degrees outside.
I could still beat that.
No, you got to take that off.
No, I could still get over. I could still do that.
Nuh-uh. You
No,
gotta
I
take that off.
can't.
Hey, look.
I can't.
Hey. I'm not arguing. We're not gonna argue. You take it off, or I'm gonna take away TV. Thank you. Alright. Alright. Sorry, guys. Drama this morning. But yeah, KTOV's ripping up here. We're at 77 cents. We're gapping up all the way to 120 where we're at now. Pre-market highs at 123. Huge moves. We'll see what happens here, but KTOV is probably the stock that the most people are watching right now. Nancy says launch today, totally appropriate. Love it. That's right. Yeah. Hey, sometimes I gotta get a little stern with him. And he fights back. We got another one that's popping off today. FFHL. This is probably the second one on my gappers list. This one's what's the other one? What am I holding right now? I'm holding BRN, right? I'm up a little bit. Yeah. BRN at the top. I'm just looking for this one to pop up to like 168. But yeah, we got FFHL here. FFHL. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. But yeah, this is they are up. They posted first quarter profit of RMB 397 per share, reversing year ago loss. So good first quarter results that came out for FFHL. So we'll see what happens. I think the interesting level is 650 right here. I must have traded this one before. I'm going to remove some of these levels. Well, no, I'm going to keep most of them actually. I think the big level here is 650 right now. I'm going to remove this one right here. I like these levels. We'll see if it holds at 650 for FFHL. We also have NDRA gapping up. We got MARA, which is a crypto related stock if I remember correctly for this one. Financial services stock. I'm pretty sure this is a crypto stock if I remember right. We got NINE. We got NDRA. In a second, we got Workhorse. We got OSTK. Yes, sir. Hey, I appreciate that, Trader Mike. Thank you, brother. Shout out to my man, Trader Mike. We got Overstock.com moving. Let me know if you have anything specific you want me to take a look at. Like I said, the futures market was interesting yesterday. We had a press secretary basically say the trade war was over, which is interesting, but yeah, thank you, Oscar. You see that jacket he's trying to wear, man? It's the middle of summer. We're in Texas. It's like 90 degrees outside, you know. Dude tries to wear right. Hey, I like Nancy's response. It's the space launch today. It's SPCE launch, and so naturally he's got to wear a rocket jacket. He's just trying to dress for the cause. I get it. Maybe I should buy space today. Maybe it's a good sign, a good omen, if you will. Yeah, laying down the law, Papa Police, yes sir. You know, you gotta get a little stern with them sometimes. They listen. He tries to turn it into like a debate, but it ain't gonna happen. And listen, if it was just me, I might consider it, but Carol, my wife Carol's gonna veto that quick, even if I let him. But yeah, KTOV got rejected there. It's at 123. We'll see what happens here. What's up, Leo? What's up, Terry, Nancy? What's up, Ivan, Jay, and KLA? Yeah, we'll see.
I brushed my teeth all by myself.
You brushed your teeth all by yourself. Great job, bud. That's right. All right, here, let me work. You ate your breakfast? Alright, good. Alright. Yeah, I've seen MARA run before. We also have HEPA here. HEPA gapping from $2.50 to $3 basically. This one is up. Let me see if I can find the catalyst. The company said a study of its lead drug, CRV431, demonstrated anti-fibrotic activity in an experimental model of renal fibrosis. But yeah, basically, like I said, to put it into the quote, let me find it here. Let me look at the overall market news real quick, guys. Let me see if I can find this article that I saw. Hold on. All right, so there's a few quotes from the market today. Number one is that Trump said, quote, cases are going up in the U.S. because we are testing far more than any other country and ever expanding. With smaller testing, we would show fewer cases. Okay, basically with less testing is what he meant. Yeah, but I mean, I think we also need to be weary. Trump also put out something that said he has authorized the federal government to arrest anyone who vandalizes or destroys monument or federal property with up to 10 years in prison. Alright, so Navarro said, Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and quote this article, guys, and this is what I was talking about this morning. So this is what I was talking about in the overall market news today. Okay, if you're just now joining us, I am holding BRN, just 100 shares of BRN. Level 2 on Thinkorswim's off. The bid is higher than the ask, so that's a little off. We're just going to try to sell for profit into the open. But yeah, basically, just to review what's going on in the overall market here. Here's the SPY itself. White House trade, and this is all quoting from BZ Newswires. It says, quote, Fox News on Monday evening, White House trade advisor Peter Navarro said the trade deal with China was off due to the origins of the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. It's over regarding the deal, Navarro said, it's over. He claimed that the Chinese knew a, quote, full 2 months in advance about the severity of the pandemic as of January 15th when they came to sign the deal, and the news sent futures down more than 200 points in overnight trading. It also prompted Navarro to, quote, clarify his comments. And then he said, quote, that the comments were taken wildly out of context. My comments have been taken wildly out of context, said Navarro in a statement. Quote, they had nothing at all to do with the Phase 1 deal, which continues in place. I was simply speaking to the lack of trust we now have of the Chinese Communist Party after they lied about the origins of the China virus and foisted a pandemic on the world. I don't think that's necessarily fair, but hey, I don't. It kind of goes back to discretion in the administration's eyes. Like, I just feel like they should have more discretion. If I go green on space, I'll have to give money to my son. Yep. What's up, David? KPTI? Yeah, we're watching KPTI. But yeah, that's the market news right now. We'll see what happens here. I'm going to go ahead and quote some more market news just to review it really quickly here. I'm going to go ahead and quote this. It says, quote, U.S. futures higher after President Trump tweets, quote, the China trade deal is fully intact. Earlier, White House advisor Navarro said the trade deal was over. Let's look at how this really affected the market. So if you guys want to see when that was, this is when that was, right? Like, you want to see when he said that quote, that the trade deal was over, this is when he said that quote. Look at that drop. He dropped the market that much. It was certainly him. That was him. Look at how much that dropped the market. Look at this drop from Navarro saying that. Just a huge downturn, a huge downswing. But like I said, they eventually retracted those statements, and now the SPY is up pretty big on the day. So we'll see what we get. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, Destroyer. How much that influences the market, but we'll see what we get today. Should be an interesting day. And like I said, I am holding BRN. I think I'm about break even right now. Maybe up a little bit. No, I'm break even exactly. So we're at 143. Like I said, my level 2 is off slightly. Can you look at American Airlines? Yeah, I mean, this is the lagger behind all the airline stocks. Like, all the other airline stocks are actually up today. And a lot of people got all hyped in American Airlines. Like, a lot of people did. I thought United was a little bit better, but a lot of people, I've seen a lot of videos about people buying AAL. And, this thing is just getting hammered. Just absolutely hammered. The reason it's getting hammered here is because they priced an upsized offering of 1 billion shares. So they raised 1.94 billion in upsized offering. Group prices 74.1 million share common stock offering at $13.50 a share. So it's just an offering that came out this morning. So they just priced an offering down to $13.50, unfortunately, for people holding this stock, and that's dragging it down. But the other airlines are actually up. We got like Delta, which is up. You got United Airlines, which is up. Again, they're just pricing an offering for AAL, which, like I said, is unfortunate for the shareholders. But you know, I think my favorite stock this morning is KTOV. We're gonna see if it breaks these highs up here. It tanked, and then about 15 minutes later, Trump corrected it on Twitter. Yeah, for sure. Hey, we just broke 200 people in here. If y'all could all do me a favor, hit the like button. Click the like button if you want to help support us. Y'all can also go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. Super active penny stock Discord. Probably the most active penny stock Discord I've ever been in. And so if you want to go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord, I'll post the link here. Like I said, super active Discord if you're into penny stocks. It's really what got me back trading penny stocks again, because they were showing some nice trades and being very active on this Discord. And so if you want to check it out, team, here's the link for it. Y'all go join my man Trader Mike's Discord. Really fun Discord. You'll learn a lot if you go there. So I'll post this link. There's the link in the chat. What's up, S Money? Plug? I got you. Ooh, Plug is ripping up here, guys. Look at Plug ripping up from 550s to 608. Let's look at the catalyst behind PLUG here. Ridiculously huge move. Yeah. Alright, so Plug completed an acquisition of United Hydrogen in GINERELX, continuing to execute on his 5-year plan. So yeah, they basically completed an acquisition. They hosted a conference call today to discuss recent acquisition and vertical integration activity. They raised their 2024 revenue and EBITDA targets, and they plan to have more than 50% of hydrogen used to be green by 2024. So yeah, a lot of good news coming out today for PLUG, and this is just ripping up so far in pre-market. Hey, thank you, David. I appreciate that. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Hey, what's up, Evil? What's up, man? What's up, dude? But yeah, PLUG ripping up here, man. A crazy movement. I'm holding BRN. I'm not super confident, and this is one of those ones where, if you look at my risk for BRN, it's so tight that it's not insignificant, but it's not a big risk. I'm looking for good risk reward on this trade. I don't know what the accuracy is going to be like, but if I keep my risk level around here at 130 or so, then I have a very tight risk. I might lose like 10 or 15 bucks. And if I make money, I'm going to try to get out at least 175, preferably like $2 if it starts to rip into the bell. And so while it might actually work a minority of the times that I do work should compensate for the times that don't with good risk reward, if that makes sense for BRN. At least that's what I'm planning on doing. Again, I've had far better success. Trading red to green washout longs at the open every morning. VWAP bounces have been very profitable too. And so this one is a strategy that has worked far less for me, but when it works, it usually gives me a pretty solid return. And so with that, I'm going to try it with 100 shares here. And I'm not going to use too much equity with this trade, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, the big move that everybody's talking about is KTOV. And if KTOV can break this 123 level, it's certainly more interesting, especially if volume starts to come in. If it pulls back to specifically $1, I think that looks interesting as well, because the whole dollar of one is usually one of the largest support levels on a kind of penny stocks chart, just because it's a huge psychological level. And so I'm watching that with KTOV here as well. Let me know what you're looking at, team. FFHL, yeah, I think I went over that one too. But this one is a little bit too expensive for me right now, honestly. It's dipping down. If it dips down, I want to see it down to 650, see if it holds there. Maybe down to the whole $1.06 as well. What's up, Julian? Hey, nice, Ryan. Hey, congrats, brother. He said, yeah, I love the channel. You guys are awesome. Got me into trading months ago, and now I'm killing it on Thinkorswim. Hey, congrats, bro. Yes, sir. Let's do this, guys. All right, let me know what you're watching, team. Like I said, I'm holding BRN. I got my R2D2 mug. Don't judge me, you know. All right, guys. So let's bring up some of these other scanners here. I'm gonna bring up some of these other scanners. So just give me a second. All right. So these are some of the momentum scanners that are up too. We got LK, man. LK. A lot of people talking about LK. Ooh, look at LK get hammered today, guys. Just this one's getting hit ridiculously big. I'm gonna weatherman this real quick. If you look at LK here, right? If you look at LK all around here, it's dropping huge. Look at that. Look at that. LK's getting hammered, guys. Everybody's favorite fraudulent coffee company. Getting what it deserves here. It's getting hammered in pre-market. Hammered. Closed yesterday at 318. It's down to 258. Huge percentage drop. Looks like about 20%, but that's just kind of eyeballing it. But a big drop for LK. Luckin Coffee. Which is a good lesson on why you never hold a fraudulent stock like this. We got, what else we got, team? We got INO here making a pretty big leap this morning. I can go over the catalyst behind this move here. INO making a big move. This is Inovio, and they received government funding for a vaccine delivery tool. They said pre-market that they won a $71 million contract from the U.S. Department of Defense. And that is the positive catalyst for INO. Yeah, like I said, a $71 million contract from the U.S. Department of Defense. And that contract was so that they could scale up the manufacture of their Selectra 3PSP smart device and the procurement of Selectra 2000 devices, which are designed to deliver COVID-19 DNA vaccine directly into the skin. So INO looking good here. We'll see what happens. Oh, LK delisting notice. Let's look up that catalyst. Hey, appreciate that, Kyle. Hey, you know, appreciate the love, bro. Y'all go check out my man Kyle's channel. Yeah, I ain't trading LK. What's up, Netron? What's up? What's up, dude? Hold on, guys. Alright, sorry. But yeah, my BRN trade's looking good. Like I said, we get over 150, I'm going to take profits, but it's just such a small trade. We're going to have some fun with it. Like I said, I might take some if we get to 67. I might take like 50 shares off, and then just try to let the rest work. Hey, but I appreciate you becoming a member, Kyle. Thank you, brother. Thank you, team. Let's do this, guys. Another one that we're looking at here is IDEX. This is what I've been trading a lot at the bell. We've been getting a lot of red to green moves. Like yesterday, I think I traded this one. Maybe not. Maybe I did. I don't know. But I gotta find the one I did trade yesterday. I traded one. Like I said, I'm holding BRN. We got KTOV, which is probably the biggest mover right now. And we'll see if it breaks that 123 pre-market high for KTOV. I think that's a big level. If it breaks over that, we might get some interesting moves. GFN, Royce? I got you. GFN's just too low a volume, brother. It's just no liquidity. Look at this. It's just no liquidity. The spread's got to be crazy. It's just going to be extremely difficult unless you're planning on actually investing in it. I just don't see any trades to be made there. We also have UONE. And everybody's a little bit different. I'm not saying you can't make money with it. I'm just saying it's definitely not my style. We got UONE moving here. I'm going to put the previous closing price just to give us an example. So this previous closing price is where the stock was green on the day. Nice. BRN ripping up here. Alright. So we're getting the rip in BRN. Hey, what's up, James? What's up, dude? What's up, Alex? SHLL? Yeah, I'll check it out. SHLL is not bad. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna start taking $1 or a little bit off of here. We're getting the spike I wanted. I'm gonna get ready to sell half. Okay, 56. Alright, I sold half there. Not a bad little fill. I'm just, listen, I bought 100 shares. You know, I'm investing like 150 bucks into this trade. Very small trade. I would rather take a partial here for the spike and then see if we can get a move up to like 180s, $2 for the rest at the bell. And taking profits here will protect me in the trade. CBL. Yeah, I'm holding a little bit of BRN. I dip bought it. Yeah, CBL, which is CBL and Associate Properties, guys. This is probably one of the bigger mover penny stocks under $1 for CBL. Crazy moves here. Ooh, look at BRN. We're getting some rips here. Man, my wife giving me the bundle of vitamins. So here's the rips here for BRN. And like I said, I'm holding 100 shares. What do I do here? Should I sell out of this thing now? What do you guys think? Oh, I know, Matt. My bad, Alex. My wife had issues. Look, we'll go ahead and do the giveaway right now. Look, I'll go ahead and draw out the giveaway rules just so you guys can understand them. What should I do? Should I exit here? For BRN? I'm going to hold it. Alright, nice. We're getting a rip up here for BRN. Alright, guys. I got these rules. I just drew out. Alright, we're getting some moves up here. I'm going to sell. Alright, I just made about 20 bucks on that trade. I'm out for BRN. Not bad. I made $20 basically on a $150 investment. That's about 10%. What, buddy? Your tooth is out? Oh, yeah.
Kind of. My tooth is kind of.
Look at my son's tooth, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Ready? Smile. Look at that tooth. Smile. Let's see it. Oh, yeah. Let's see that tooth. He's missing his front tooth. He lost his front tooth. All right, bud. Here. You got to let me work. Yep. All right. All right. Come on. Come on. Out of here. I know. Your other tooth is loose? Oh my goodness. Hey, Carol. Hey, his other tooth is loose, he says. But yeah. Alright, and let's go ahead and give away one of the ebooks now, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and give away these ebooks. Hold on one second. Alright, here's the ebook rules, guys. Here's the ebook giveaway rules, okay? What? Yeah. Alright, here's the ebook rules, guys. Here's the ebook rules. Okay? We're going to give away a free Audible ebook. The prize is a free Audible ebook as long as it's they have it on Audible. The first person to put the called out number showing on my chat is the winner. So the first person to type, I'm going to call out a random number. The first person to type that shows up on my end wins the ebook. Okay? You must provide your email for delivery. Okay, those are the rules. Everybody understand the rules? Hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the giveaway. Everybody subscribe. Be a part of the giveaway here. Alright, y'all leaving? Alright. Alright, love you. Have a good day. Alright. Alright. Alright, bud. What are you eating? A tomato? What is that?
Vitamin.
A vitamin?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's dripping out your mouth, man. Here. Alright, here. Get out of here. Alright. But yeah, those are the rules. You guys ready? I know, James. I'm a tear. That's why I'm trying to give away ebooks this time, just so it's easier. Maybe I missed a little bit on my BRN trade. Like I said, I just made about 20 bucks. Yeah, 100% Hawks. What's up, Hawks? What's up, dude? You got a big channel. I don't know who you are, but you got a big channel, man. What's up, dude? You got a check mark, that coveted check mark. I want it, you know? What's up, man? There's no number. I didn't call out a number yet. No. It's not just a random number. No, not like that. Because that wouldn't be fair. Because I could basically just say, oh, you got the right number. You know? Like, I'm going to actually call out a number. And then the first person to type the number that I call out then gets it. Okay? So we're not just guessing random numbers, chat. That's not what we're doing. Because that wouldn't be fair. Because then if I liked somebody more, I could just be like, yeah, they got the right number. And that wouldn't really be fair, right? And so I'm going to call out the number right now. Stop calling out numbers. You know? All right. You guys ready? It's not a random number. Stop it. It's not a random number. I'm going to call out the number here. And then the first person to say it wins the ebook. All right, you guys ready? Sheesh, man. We got the chat way too active this morning. Yeah, I'm out. I'm Bubba. I said tomato. Alright, guys. Alright. You guys ready? The random number, or the number that I'm calling out is 7. First person to type the number 7 wins an ebook. Make sure you subscribe. But the first person to type 7 wins an ebook. The number is 7. Alright. The number is 7. 7 is the number. Let's see who's gonna win. I'll take a picture of it too, so you guys can see I'm not just kind of making up the first person that showed up on my end. Am I muted? Alright. Raiders 1221. You are the winner. Raiders 1221. Ooh, man, we got a lot of people in the chat. Raiders won. Let me take a picture of it just so you guys can see it. Hold on. The first person to type the number 7 was Raiders. Here's my, look, this is proof of it right here. Raiders right here was the first number 7. So congratulations, Raiders. You won yourself a free ebook. What kind of ebook you want? You want a trading ebook, bro? All right, I'll send it right now, just so people can say I don't send it. I'll send it right now. What ebook do you want, brother? Go look on Audible. Just honestly, just tell me an ebook. I'll send it to you. It could be a trading. Really, it could be any type of ebook. Just tell me the ebook, and I got you. Just. Well, I'm gonna do another 2 giveaways later today, so stick around. We're gonna do 2 more today. We're gonna do 2 more. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Thomas. Welcome, brother. I appreciate the sub. Yeah, listen, we're going to do 2 more today, guys. We're going to do 2 more today. We're going to do 2 more giveaways, and they're going to be at a random time today. So stick around, watch the stream. All right, guys. All right, what kind of trading ebook you got, bro? They got Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, which is probably one of my favorites. My second favorite is Jack Schwager's Market Wizards. Is my second favorite. Those are the 2 I really suggest. But you can really pick out any trading ebook you want. And so if you want to research that and just let me know, I'll send it to you right now. Hey, thank you, Paul. Yeah, she's feeling all right, man. She just switched off of she was on Singular and Advair for like a long time, and they switched her on to something called Brio, and with that she's having some issues, like some breathing problems. I was holding BRN. I made a little bit from this one already. Alright, I definitely recommend I recommend Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Let me make sure there's nowhere free you can find that book. Let's see. Alright, listen, I would give you Trading in the Zone, right? But researching it, there's actually free Trading in the Zone Audible ebook, or there's free ebooks already on YouTube, right? You can find the free version of Trading in the Zone. It's already on YouTube, right? So there's no point in really giving you that because it's already kind of free on YouTube. And so what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. That's a good one. I'm going to give you Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. I'm going to send it to you right now. Ah, man, guys, look at BRN. Guys, BRN is ripping up. KTOV sitting here. I should have held. BRN, I ended up buying it. This is just to show you the trade. I ended up buying it right here. And then I sold it right here. Which is a good trade, I think. I didn't get the whole move, but I got most of it. But yeah, definitely missing some moves. BRN ripping up this morning. Huge move. The next one on my list is KTOV. KTOV here, guys. And so yeah, if you want to oh wait, here, delete this, brother. Don't put it out. Here, I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna delete it. I was gonna send you the Discord. But instead, I was gonna ask for your email on Discord, but I got it. I got your email, so don't worry. I'll add you right now. And we're gonna do 2 more giveaways today, so don't stress, the team. We're gonna do 2 more. All right, let me find Market Wizards. Market Wizards is actually the first ebook I ever got, or the first trading book I ever read was Market Wizards. Let me find the best version. The new Market Wizards, probably that one. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the new Market Wizards. Here it says the email you sent me is invalid or empty. Let me try typing this. What is it, Leonard? Hey, for some reason that email's not working, man. Oh wait, yeah, I got you. Never mind, it's up. I got it. Okay. All right, boom. I just sent it to you. Congratulations on winning the giveaway. All right. Hey, what's up, Coco? What's up, Ali, Royce? Hey, thank you, Bubba. I appreciate that. But yeah, we got BRN here ripping up, making huge moves here. We got UONE, we got NDRA here. We got some big moves, guys. Like I said, everybody hit the subscribe button if you want to be a part of the next giveaway. We're going to be doing it today. We got RCON here ripping up. And just to look at the SPY itself, guys, just to show you the overall market, we're going to look at some of the market news today as well here. So we're going to look at some of the market news. The ETF preview is out. So I'm going to go ahead and read the ETF preview. And so this is the market. This is the overall market news, and I'm going to quote this, and this is from MT Newswires, and it says, quote, stock futures were higher ahead of the market's open as market sentiment brightened after a Bloomberg report said that Sanofi and its partner GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, expected to secure approval for a COVID-19 vaccine in the first half of 2021. Previously in April, Sanofi had said that it and GSK plan to initiate clinical trials in the second half of 2020 and, if successful, aim to complete the development required for the availability of the second half of 2021. Trading has turned positive at the end of the previous session as fears that the U.S.-China Phase 1 trade deal would be broken after White House trade advisor Peter Navarro clarified remarks made Monday, and the trade advisor had been quoted by Fox News to the effect that the China-U.S. trade deal was, quote, over, but Navarro later affirmed that the Phase 1 agreement remains in place, a sentiment reiterated by President Trump in a tweet. In economic calendar is the PMI composite flash at 9:45 Eastern, so that's 15 minutes after the bell. That does come out in the overall market. With expectations of a reading of 45 for June, according to Econoday. The prior reading was 36.4 for manufacturing. Estimates are at 44.2 versus the prior reading of 39.8. For services, expectations are for a reading of 44 compared with the previous level of 36.9. New home sales data for May will be out at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is 30 minutes after the bell, and analysts are projecting a seasonally adjusted number of 630K versus the prior level of 623K. To look into commodities here, crude is up over 2%, with the U.S. oil fund being up 2%. Natural gas is down 0.7%. The U.S. natural gas fund is down 0.2%. Gold is up 0.3%, with the Spider Gold Trust being up 0.1%. Silver is up 0.5%, with the iShares Silver Trust up 0.9%. Some interesting news, though, guys, is UGAZ was delisted from the market. I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. I still see it here. I thought it was delisted. Am I wrong here? What happened? Didn't UGAZ get delisted from the market? Yeah, this is daily. We trade live every day. All right, so you got it, Raiders. Hey, thank you, Ali. I appreciate it. Thank you. What's up, team? All right, let's do this. Like I said, UGAZ, I thought it was delisted. I thought there was some big news that it was actually delisted here this morning. Like I said, we're going to be giving away another ebook today sometime, so be on the lookout for that. Alright, guys, hold on one second. If you want an ebook from me, you gotta win the competition. IDEX, let me take a look. Cool. Okay, so yeah, they're gonna be delisted in January. Yeah, I'm a programmer, JP. But yeah, IDEX crashing down here. Look at IDEX. Huge move down here. Huge move down. Ideonomics S3 shows registration for 250 million mixed security shelf offering. So an offering's coming out for IDX. This is what's crashing it right now. We also have UONE here. UONE ripping up here as this goes on. Look at UONE making a big move up, and I'm going to be watching this one at the bell too. We'll see what happens here. We also have BRN, which I was holding a little bit at the open. We are pulling back to about 175 here for BRN. Like I said, I'm going to go over some more market news real quick. We see, I'm going to go ahead and quote this. It says, Wall Street sees an upbeat session following Trump's trade comments. The China trade deal is fully intact, said Trump in a tweet. Oil prices are up. Global benchmark Brent crude's up 1.2%. U.S. West Texas Intermediate is up 1%. We have WKHS. We got KTOV. Look at Workhorse. Workhorse is ripping up here. It's up to 705, guys. 705 for Workhorse. Huge moves. Absolutely ridiculous moves here for this one. Yeah, IDX is crashing down because it had an offering. Alright, let's do this, guys. We're looking at KTOV here as well. Like I said, at the open this morning, guys, I'm looking to take what we call a washout long or a red to green move per the bell. So a washout long or red to green move. We'll see what happens here, but that's what I'm waiting on. I'm already up a little bit on BRN. I'm up slightly on BRN. And again, just to look into the overall markets, the big moves today, we got American Airlines dropping big today. We've got United Airlines, and the other airlines are basically up this morning. We got a few other ones, like MGM is up, I believe. Uber is slightly up as well. The overall market, it's slightly green on the day after. You can see basically one of Navarro put out the comment saying that the trade deal was done yesterday, and you can see the huge drop that we got after he said that. This is the drop after Navarro said the trade deal was done, or the trade deal was dead, basically. This was the drop. Once they clarified 15 minutes later, we then got this huge move back up. We eventually rose back up to end very green on the day now. And so we'll see what happens here. We got about 8 minutes, guys, so let's do this. Good luck. Let's make some money. Like I said, let me know what you're specifically watching. I'm watching INO here as well. INO. We got HEPA. We got WKHS. We've got INO, or WKHS is pulling back with a huge move there now. We got SPN here. Like I said, if you have anything specific, let me know. My favorite ones today, the ones that I'm watching the highest, and like I said, partial shout out to Trader Mike, were KTOV. KTOV looks interesting. I like it down here at $1, and if we could see a move up at the open, I might trade it. We also have, we got KTOV, we got BRN. I'm going to be watching this one, a lot of move. We got UONE. We got Workhorse, WKHS, and that one is tradable for me. We have MFIN. We've got FFHL. So these are pretty big moves in the market for these. Like I said, 650 is the interesting level for FFHL. We'll see if it holds there or not. SINT was from yesterday. And SINT dropping down big. Like I said, BRN looks probably the strongest. Let me go ahead and make my posts here. New rumor circulating. IDEX and NKLA. Alright, guys. So, we got about 6 minutes. Let's do this, team. Alright, guys, let's do this. Sorry, I'm posting our links on Facebook real quick. Here we go. Alright, guys, we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less. Let's try to make some money today, team. Alright, so yeah, the rumor is IDX and NKLA have a deal in place. Here's NKLA. So expensive. Let's see what the actual catalyst is for some of these moves. Here's NKLA right here. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything with that. Alright, so I see GLJ's Johnson on Nikola notes, company doesn't have a plan for how to systematically manufacture hydrogen fuel cells, but is being valued by investors as if the company will take over the entire hydrogen fuel cell truck market. So I don't know how good that is. Yes, sir. Mitch ain't gonna be here today. I think he's getting some rest today. But yeah, Apple. I haven't traded Apple that much, but NKLA is trying to break over the previous closing price right now, guys. What's up, Dan? What's up, brother? We'll see. Yeah, for sure. So NKLA, we'll see what happens here. BRN is probably the most interesting one to me right now. This one's absolutely ripping up. I sold a little bit too soon, but I made my money with it. And again, we're going to be trading washout long and red to green move penny stocks on Thinkorswim today. That's what we're going to be trading. So wish us luck, and then we're going to switch to our regular platform after that. Uber's gapping up here pretty big. We'll see what happens there as well. INO is probably the strongest looking one here. Alright, nice. Only time will tell. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, let's do this. Look at this move for BRN. It's up to 191. So I'm going to be watching this one at the open. We got about 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. BRN ripping up. The other ones that are moving today, INO. If you want to catch the biggest movers, BRN. And these are all the stocks I'm watching. BRN, INO. We got KTOV. These are all making pretty big moves, and remember, guys, I drew out this level. I was thinking about dip buying it. I guess I should have. That's probably what I should have done. But KTOV bouncing right off the VWAP area. We got BRN, beautiful VWAP bounce off of that 169 level. We got WKHS making some big moves this morning as well, getting some volume coming in. We've got UONE, we got INO, we got TBIO, and so we got a lot of movers today, guys. What are we going to trade today? Let's try to hopefully find some trades. We got about 2 minutes at the open. BRN is one that I'm probably keeping at the top of my list this morning. At the top of my list. NKLA is like Theranos all over again. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, time will tell. Let's do this, guys. BRN popping up to $2, testing $2 now. All right, we got INO dropping a little bit before the bell, guys. We got less than a minute. The market is going to open in about 45 seconds, guys. So, but look at INO right before the bell, dropping pretty big here right before the bell, guys. So we are getting a pretty substantial drop on INO. It's at 1665s. Another one that somebody was talking about today is PLAG. I think they had a rumored, or no, it's PLUG. I think they had like a rumored acquisition. Plug Power. This one's gapping up from 550s all the way to 604. Hey, what's up, Kyle? Hey, that's right. Alright, guys, here's the bell coming up. We got this. Let's do this. I'm going to get the high of the day momentum scanners up really quick, but the bell's about to go on right now. Alright, guys, here's the bell. Good luck. There we are. Alright, guys, there's the market open. Alright, guys. Alright, PLUG. BRN absolutely ripping up here. I should have held on to this one, guys. I really should have. BRN absolutely going crazy this morning. Huge rip up to over $2. What else we got, guys? Like I said, I'm looking for some red to green moves right now, honestly. Looking for some red to green moves. INO falling down. A little bit too expensive for me. BRN rejecting big there. WKHS. Interesting. KTOV is falling down some. I might look for a washout long red to green move on KTOV. We're going to look for a red to green move on KTOV. We got that one red candle here. We break over this level specifically, this 117 level. UONE got ripped up and halted on the way up. UONE got halted on the way up, guys. It broke all the way up to 2640s for UONE. Ridiculously huge move. Crazy move there, guys. Big move. Alright, like I said, I'm going to buy KTOV with 350 shares. If we get a move over, maybe 450 shares. If we get a move over this 117 level. There's 117s. Watching the level 2 very closely here. One 17s. Watching for 118s on the bid, or 118s on the ask. We're at 117s. Alright, I'm in with 450 shares of KTOV. 450 shares. Just looking for a quick surge up here. Caught the move. Nice little breakout. We just needed to hold up here. All right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback. I'm gonna let it battle this some. Maybe I should have taken some profits there, but I'm letting it work. All right, we got a quick surge up. We're up to the 19s. Like I said, I'm holding 450 shares, almost 500 shares here. There's 21s, 22s. All right, I just took half off there, so I'm holding 200. I'm holding 200 shares left. We're getting the move I wanted, and I'm gonna sell into that. All right, I'm out. Made about $30 from that trade. Caught the red to green move on KTOV. I'm up about 50 on the day after that trade. We still have some more equity. Caught the move I originally wanted there. Maybe I could have held on to a few shares a little bit longer, but I'm really just trying to scalp the top of this move. But yeah, up about $50 on the day with 2 different trades there. BRN is moving. Yeah, let me look at BRN. I don't like BRN here. KTOV ripped up a little bit more. I could have made some money on it. Another halted stock this morning is UONE. UONE. We got LLEX here in penny stock land, just making some huge moves. LLEX in penny stock land, making some big moves. KTOV still ripping. We got BRN, which is kind of forming a symmetrical triangle here. We'll see what we get, but BRN is looking good. Yeah, KTOV looked good. We got LLEX here. LLEX making huge moves in penny stock land. This one's popping up on my scanner. We also have FFHL here. FFHL. We're going to look for some reversals now. NIO is too expensive for me, bro. Yeah, y'all like the music? Yeah. Put some calming music on, you know. What have y'all traded today so far, guys? Let me know. What have y'all traded so far? I mean, if I want to trade, I could trade WKHS. On TAFs. Alright, BRN pulling back a little bit. BRN actually looks weak. KTOV looks like a nice little dip buy here, actually. Yeah, I can see I lost a few $100 yesterday. Alright, so WKHS is tradable. FFHL is pulling a red to green move now. If we break over 660s, 666, that's a bad number. But if we break over that, it's a breakout. But yeah, if you're just now joining us, I've made some on KTOV. I've made about $30, a little bit less than $30 on KTOV. I've made a little bit on UONE is resumed, guys. If you're looking to trade some of these crazy stocks, UONE was halted and now we're actually resumed here. We also have BRN, which was popping off today. LLEX and penny stock land is making some drastic moves, but UONE is resumed now. This one's going absolutely ridiculous today. UONE popping off here. STIM popping up on my scanners here for trade ideas. STIM's pulling a red to green move here. I don't hate this move. It's barely too late. I don't like the spread though for STIM, but STIM did pull a red to green move. Look at this move. He broke that range. Too late now though. I just missed it. Barely missed it. WKHS is bouncing up a little bit. The market itself has dropped, but is actually about to break some highs here. So the market itself has dropped. It's about to break some highs. If you see any penny stocks that are kind of dipping down, let me know. That's really what I'm looking for, is penny stocks that are kind of dropping a little bit at the open. EVGN is popping off. EVGN. AMD is actually crashing down here. Yeah, UONE is going crazy. CHFS. Yeah, that one doesn't look bad. It's just a little cheap. I'm actually, since it's under $1, I actually have to pay commissions on Thinkorswim since it's under $1. And if we're looking at if you're looking at a KTOV here, it's actually dropping now. It's dipping a little bit down to the VWAP level. I don't hate that, but I think I've already made my money, and I don't know if I want to give it back. But I'm telling you, the red to green move in penny stocks is incredibly profitable. Like I said, if you didn't catch the video I put out, just an incredibly profitable strategy. Like, most of the time when I trade it, it just works. Like, it just works. Like, looking for a stock to drop initially at the bell and then break the high from those first few candles where it drops, it's just super profitable in penny stocks. I'm not going to say it always works, but it works a lot. And this is the move I caught. Like, look, just to show you guys what strategy I was talking about here. So we got the drop originally at the open. We got this drop right here. You know, the first candle was red, basically. And then we got a reversal and we got a break of that high. And so we got a drop at the open, and then we reversed, broke this high right here, which is where I jumped in. I jumped in right when we broke the high of these candles right here. So I jump in here, and look at the volume come in as that happens. Look at the volume come in. Just a very profitable strategy. The key here is you gotta just take a few cents and get out. If you try to hold it, you're gonna get reversed on. But if you just take it for a few cents, the accuracy is gonna be great. Just giving you guys a little heads up there. As I say that though, we're dropping down here, and it's a good lesson on why you take profits fast with some of these moves. But we'll see if we bounce at the VWAP. We got FFHL here. FFHL starting to rip up and break highs. We'll see what happens there. I'm not loving that one, to be honest. It's a little bit too expensive for me. I'm trading on Thinkorswim right now. CBL. So TD Ameritrade is what I'm trading on right now. Yeah, CBL's dropped at the open. Yeah, if this one reverses, I might take it on the way up. It's got to break this 50 cent level, though, like in a strong way. Yeah, I'm watching BRN, but BRN's just kind of crashing down. Yeah, I'm out of KTOV. Yeah, I mean, listen, I made 30 bucks. I got my money, and I'm out. Like I said, the key with these strategies is not marrying the stock, right? The key is just to get it out fast. All right, so the market itself is breaking highs here. Alright, so not a bad day. I mean, I'm up about 50 bucks in penny stocks. I'm not seeing anything I really like. Like I said, if we get that drop from BRN, if we get the reversal, I might trade that one. Or not BRN, from, what's the stock? What are y'all talking about? CBL, right? We get a reversal in CBL, and we reverse and break this high up here. I might take it over 50, but that's a long way up now. And I don't know if we'll ever get that, to be honest. So we're waiting. So these are trade ideas scanners, ICE. Alright, I'm sitting here waiting. I'm not seeing anything I love right now. Market's actually ripping up, so if we want to look at the actual SPY itself here, the SPY's ripping up pretty big right now, to be honest. So the SPY's ripping up. So we're actually pretty green on the day. I'm kind of looking at AMD here for a short. Like I said, if you see any penny stocks that are starting to reverse, I'm seeing HEPA maybe. HEPA starting to reverse. If we break over 290 maybe. INO's bouncing a little bit. I'm going to jump in with 400 shares of AMD here. Let me put the screen so you guys can see it. I'm about breaking even in it right now. Down $8. Alright, so we're just going to see if we get a nice move down here. There's 43s, 42s. I'm going to take half off there just to protect the trade. See if we get a low at the daybreak maybe. Already taken some profit there. But a very quick reversal back up. So I could play this one break even now if we do get a move over 45.50. UONE is popping off big here. There's 44s. Holding 200 shares left, nothing crazy. Ideally, I'd like to see a low break here. HEPA just ripped over that previous high of the day here. It's a little bit too late for me to trade that one, unfortunately. SPY's turning back around. Alright, there's 38s. Nice. I'm going to take another half off here. Hold 100 shares, see if we get the breakdown down to like 35s or so. Small win so far, but we're looking for a low of the day break here. Down to like 25s, 54 25s. There's 32s. We're battling. There's 32s. Like I said, we need 25s maybe. We just want to see it break this. You can see AMD battling this now. There's 29s. Looks good. Let's get 25s here if we can. 28s. 27. Yeah, this is close enough. I got 25s. Actually, I did get 25s. All right, so yeah. Like I said, I hope you guys understand, like, I call out my reward target. I hope you understand, like, how I follow the plan that I give myself, right? So $45 up on the day. No losing trades yet. Have not lost today. Both penny stocks and AMD, this last trade on AMD. No losses yet. We're going to see what we get. I had a nice little scalp win, or a nice little pre-market dip buy on BRN. Made 20 bucks on that one. Had a $30 win on, what did I trade? On KTOV, which had a nice little $30 win there. And then I had this $45 win. I'm up about $100 all said and done today. So not finished quite yet. We're going to see what else we can find today. But was able to catch that move. Hey, what's up, Ariel? What's up, Ariel? What's up, Chris? I was in AMD. I just got out. Hey, appreciate you becoming a member, Ariel. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. We use a lot of different platforms, Ariel. We still use TEFs, but we use a lot of different platforms, brother. So like, you'll see us use, like, I traded on Thinkorswim most of the day today. I'm gonna trade on Webull a little bit too. I trade on TEFs, Robinhood. So we trade on a little bit of everything, brother. But I appreciate you becoming a member, man. Seriously, thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. Hey, I appreciate the sub, I-20. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I'm looking at MU here. But yeah, thank you, Ariel. Thank you for becoming a member, brother. I was about to say, I'm looking at MU for rejecting this 50-25 level. If you see any penny stocks that are somewhat pulling red to green move, what was the other one? CLB or something like that? I mean, it's just not doing too much. BRN. KTOV. Dipping down to the VWAP. And look at the VWAP bounce. Both strategies I talked about this weekend. Like, look at the bounce off of the VWAP. Very profitable way to approach a lot of these. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Andrew. Welcome, man. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I appreciate it, D. Thank you, man. It's like $4. It's like $4. It's like $3.99, I think. I don't know. I don't know the exact number, but it's pretty cheap. I just use market orders on TEFs. Just on TEFs. If you watch me trade on Thinkorswim, I never use a market order. I mean, maybe never is a strong word. I rarely use a market order on TEFs. So I'm looking at INO starting to rebound a little bit here. UONE breaking lows here. I'm looking at AMD trying to short maybe into this $half level again. Let me see if I can take 400 shares here at the top. So I got in around 46. We're just gonna get out if it breaks the previous high of the day here for AMD. Just 400 shares. We're gonna scale down a little bit and try to attack some of these moves. I'm really wanting it to see it reject 54.50 here. 54.50 is the level I want to see it reject right here if we can. Alright, we're looking good. We're at 42s, 41s, 40s. I like the breakdown so far. We just need a little bit more. Oh my gosh, man. I try to take profits and it's just not enough. I took profits. Terrible spot. Hey, I appreciate the sub. AV, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. It's just bouncing too much. I took profits at the wrong spot here, unfortunately. We're going to add back to it if it moves back up. That's what we're going to try to do. Alright, I am in 500 shares now of AMD. We're going to use the $0.50 as our risk level here. The SPY is actually really breaking down here, guys. The SPY is dropping some. A huge move down on the SPY. I thought it would affect AMD, but it doesn't look like it is. Hey, I appreciate the sub, James. Welcome, brother. Appreciate that. Thank you, sir. So we're getting a huge rip up. I got to get out of here. Worst case scenario there for AMD, but we might get some more moves, and it's still a little bit early. First loss of the day, though. Unfortunate. It just doesn't look like what I don't want to catch myself in is more chop like I was yesterday. Yesterday I got caught in the chop a lot, and so I don't want more chop today. All right, I just scalped MU on this low of the daybreak, and if it bounces back up to 50, I'm going to scalp into that too. Beautiful breakdown. Took half off there, holding 200 shares. Caught the low of the daybreak in MU. Huge breakdown, guys. Crazy breakdown. I'm going to take a little bit more off there, holding 100 shares. Huge breakdown here. Wow. I'm going to get out the rest there. So was able to make most of my money back. Look at that MU low of the daybreak at 50. Man, big break, but was able to quickly rebound from the loss I took, but the SPY's about to break lows here, guys. The SPY's about to break lows. AMD faked me out, unfortunately. Alright, we're still breaking down. A bad catalyst had to come out. Either that or the market. Something bad had to happen with this drop here. So something bad happened. Alright, I'm in a 300 shares of AMD, just a small position. We're gonna see if we can hold this one and be a little bit patient for a longer term breakdown down to the lows at 54.20 is all we want to see. About break even now, nothing too crazy. I decided to jump in small with AMD here, anticipating a potential just rejection down to 54.20 is what I want to see. I'm also gonna start looking at Uber here. I'm going to jump in Uber 500 shares short right here, seeing if it breaks down under these levels. Just to show you guys, these are my positions right now with Uber. In this trade, I'm up. Just to make it easy, I'm going to take a little bit of profit here for AMD. Like I said, I'm holding 500 shares of Uber. We're trying to see a breakdown under the 70s. Alright, well, Uber's rebounding, not like I wanted. Over 80, I just got to get out. And I'm out. Yeah, so about break even on the day. Kind of going back and forth here with some of these moves. Luckily, AMD broke down for me. I'm still holding a few hundred shares. But another one I'm looking at shorting is MU. It's bouncing back a little bit here. So now that we got to bounce back, I'm going to look for 700 shares. For MU, we're going to short into this move with 700 shares. Take profits fast on this one if we get it. I don't mind adding to MU if it gets up to the whole $1.50 either. Maybe Uber faked me out a tad bit there. All right, there's a drop in AMD. Uber is, or no, MU is kind of consolidating here. We just need a break under this low, under 80s. I'm trying to be patient with it, but again, I don't mind adding a few hundred shares on this bounce back. All right, there we go. Here, come on, come on, come on. I'm going to take half of the profit there. Beautiful breakdown in AMD. Going to take the rest off there. And going to get out most of the shares of AMD or MU there. Holding 100 shares left. And probably going to unload the rest here if we get any more breakdown, any solid breakdown here. I'm going to get out the rest there. So I'm up $91 on the day. I caught the breakdown in both of those like I wanted. I'm going to look at AMD here. If we bounce back to this support or resistance level at 54.23, I'm probably going to take the rest off. Or I'm probably going to add a little bit to AMD here on this bounce. Small position though. I'm going to add into it here. All right, I'm going to end with 300 shares for AMD. We're just looking for a rejection at this 22 level, and that's what we'll hold it to. Ideally, we want to see it break back down to the whole dollar of 54. So what's up, team? I look the other way. I'm getting a breakdown here. Like I said, we're about break even. Nothing too crazy with AMD, but holding 300 shares here. I'm just looking for a rejection right here at 17s, really. There's 13s, good. See if we get a breakdown. Like I said, we want to see a breakdown to 54. There's 13s, 11s, okay. Break even now. We're gonna wait for this. So we want 54s right here. PLUG, I forgot to watch PLUG, brother. What happened with that one, man? Ooh, man, that was the wrong move. Look at PLUG. I wish I would have caught that. Crazy move for PLUG. Sorry, brother. You were right, man. Props to you, bro. You were right, man. Look at PLUG, guys, in penny stock land. Crazy, crazy moves here. Crazy moves. All right, we're down to 08s here. Down to 10s. We're still up slightly, but there's 11s. 08s. I'm going to take half off there. Nope. Limit order. Come on, man. I'm going to take half off there. There we go. All right, holding 100 shares left. I'm going to just get out the rest there. So I'm up 106 on the day. Very small, you know, little $15, $20 win on AMD, but it adds up. We're growing. What else we got, guys? So I caught the AMD move down there, the 06. Almost got out around the lows. Oh, wait, there's the ebook rules. What else we got, guys? I'm still looking at a few moves. The SPY is kind of teetering around the lows, so it hasn't really broken too much yet. ENSV and penny stock land making huge moves. ENSP, LTRPA is making big moves too. But ENSV right now, guys. ENSV, huge penny stock move. Testing the $0.25 right now at 25. But if we look at the SPY here, the SPY is just kind of consolidating around these lows. We're just kind of consolidating right here. You see these lows right here at 313. And so that's just kind of what we're doing here. We're just kind of consolidating around those areas. What else we got? GNUS. A lot of people bringing up GNUS. Is it ripping? Yes, GNUS, Genius Brands, ripping up here. Huge red to green move, and this is what I was talking about, this red to green moves. Look at this move. You wait for these breakouts right here over this previous high of the day. Huge moves up. Hey, yeah, man, GNUS is going absolutely ridiculous right now, guys. Huge moves. GNUS making crazy, crazy moves in the market right now. Crazy moves. The SPY's starting to bounce back a little bit. Yeah, huge move for GNUS here. INO. INO broke highs too. It's up to 1720 for INO. Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Huge moves here. Yeah, no commissions. Well, if it's above, as long as the stock is over $1, there's no commissions, Rodney. As long as the stock's over $1. If it's under $1, I get charged slight commissions. Another one that's moving pretty big right now, guys, is PLUG. PLUG. Alright, SPY's actually ripping all the way back down and breaking lows. I'm going to jump in short of AMD very quickly here with 500 shares. Very quickly with 500 shares of AMD. I'm seeing the market rip down here, and that's what I'm trying to profit off of. Jumped in with 500 shares of AMD. Market's breaking lows here. We should get a further drop. Maybe I should have gotten an MU. Alright, we're at 09s, 10s. About break even. 08s. We just need to move under 54 is what we want to see. There we go. We're slightly green. Market's ripping back up. Debating on exiting here. Hands over the cover button. Alright, there's 08s, 07s, 06s. There we go. That's the breakdown we wanted. Let's see if we get the break under 54. 07s. 06. We need the 54 break here for AMD. 6. We need 5s, 4s. I'm going to get out of AMD here and take my $5 loss. The reason I'm out is because I see the SPY itself starting to rip up. So the SPY itself starting to rip up in there. Boom. You can see AMD. It's a good lesson on why you watch the SPY itself in the overall market, right? Because I saw the SPY in the overall market start to bounce. And so I got out of there before I saw AMD follow it. And so if you look at AMD, I got out with a $5 loss and avoided this bounce right here. Now I'm not saying we're not going to get more breakdowns, but I don't want to take that short term. I don't mind jumping back in it if we get some plays, but for now I'm gonna protect my trade a little bit. And here, come on. Maybe it faked me out slightly. Alright, I'm gonna jump back in with 500 shares here. We gotta move down to the low of the day. I'm gonna just see if we can hold down there. Maybe I got a little scared out of that first move, but we're alright. I just want to see a break under 54. Alright, we're at 6s, 4s, there we go. We just need to break under 54 though, honestly. Sixes. Fives. But judging on what I should do here, I might need to wait for the momentum to actually break, I think. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Kumar. Welcome, brother. Appreciate that. Hey, y'all hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I got squeezed up here. We'll be alright. I gotta wait for the consolidation to break here on AMD. Like, I think I'm just trading the chop right now. Here's the chop. We just need to wait for it to break that range, I think. Market has been consolidating for the last 20 minutes or so. And so I might move back over to the pennies here and look for some penny plays. I'm going to look at PLUG. I'm going to buy 50 shares of this one. Come on, come on, come on. And I bought 50 shares of PLUG. We're going to look for a rip up to the previous high of the day. See if we can go parabolic here with this move. Just 50 shares, small position. I'm going to try to manage both of these at once. Alright. Alright, market breaking lows. I'm jumping in short. Alright, there we go. Alright, I took half off there. Holding 300 shares left. Gonna take another half off there. Holding 100 shares left. Like I said, I had to wait for that break to happen. Remember I talked about the break? I'm gonna get out there. So I got myself back to break even there. Remember what I talked about, guys. This is exactly, let me see if it's still there. Yeah, so look, this is exactly what I talked about, which is that I drew this range out. Once we actually broke the range, that's when I jumped in. And so I made my money back there. I'm up 108 on the day, but like I said, this range is key. A lot of momentum trading team is based off of ranges, right? You got to look at the range of the stock to see what it's actually doing. That's the move I called here with AMD. Now to go back to my PLUG dip buy trade, I'm up slightly, but we're gonna see if we can move up to like here. I'm just trying to kind of scalp a few cents off the top now. G and US pulling back to the highs. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind this move down to 275, but that's the move we need. BRN? What's BRN doing now? Alright, G and US is bouncing. It never pulled back to 275. I'm still waiting for some of these moves here. Like I said, if you're just now joining us, I'm holding PLUG. I'm holding plug here. Slight green on the day. I could add another 100 shares if I wanted to. Or another 50 shares if I wanted to. What do you guys think? If I do, I think I have to use 50 as my risk. And so I'm going to buy another 50 shares here. And I'm going to use 50 as my risk. 650, but I'm also going to take profits very quickly here. There's 68s. Alright, the SPY is rebounding big here, guys. The SPY is bouncing all the way back to 313. Big rebound on the SPY, just to show you guys. I got to watch this one very close just so you understand. I'm gonna go through this really quickly. But the SPY is bouncing back to 313s right now. Now the next step is to see if it actually holds this as resistance right here at 313 or so. I might even use this level here at 57 as my risk. Oh, you can't see it? Hold on. Oh, my bad, guys. There you go. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just holding 100 shares of plug here. Nothing crazy. Yeah, BRN is bouncing back a little bit here. Yeah, we just need to move back up. It might take a little while to get the momentum. We just need volume to come in. We're at 68s. I'm up like $6 in the trade. Nothing crazy. There's 70s. Okay. All right. 75 is we're gonna take half off. All right. We're gonna just take half off there. We're just gonna play this one very safe. I've already made money on the day in penny stocks. I haven't had a losing trade in penny stocks. And so we're just trading, keeping this one very safe, seeing if we get a breakout above 686, but we're going to scale out of most of the position before then. Here's the breakout. $77s. $78s. I'm going to give it time to see if we break the highs. I'm just going to get out the rest there. I'm going to take my little $13 win and maybe try to catch a breakout if it breaks over that. Maybe I got scared out a little bit, but I'm up like 60 something on the day in penny stocks, and I'm just going to finish it out with my dip buy there for PLUG. Shout out to my man who called out PLUG. I'm going to move back to mid and high caps now. If you guys see this, BRN is ripping up. BRN is starting to break above the VWAP here. AMD bouncing back. A lot of these other stocks are bouncing back with it, but yeah, BRN is starting to rip up. But yeah, no losses in penny stocks today so far. Hey, you gotta take profits quick, Daniel. It happens, brother. What, Bubba? What's up, man? What you saying, bro? Sorry, I can't read all the chat. Let me see. What you saying? Bubba, what's up, man? Alright. What else we got, guys? I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. I'll be back in like a few minutes. But yeah, so far I've made money on BRN, I've made money on KTOV, and I've made money on what's the other one I just traded? What did I just trade? What did I just trade, guys? I can't remember. But I made like $13, small win. Up about $108 in my other account as well. I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick though. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. What do we have moving right now? I'm looking at AMD, seeing if we maybe have a fade here for it. I'm going to take a few hundred shares here. See if I can catch this. I'm in with 400 shares. We're just going to see if we get a move down under 25 here. I like the wick. See if we get a rejection here at like 32. Alright, we're in with 400 shares of AMD. We're just going to look for a quick rejection off of the VWAP. So we're break even. 27, 26. $25, $24. I'm going to take half off there at 23s. We're holding a little bit left here. I'm just going to get out the rest there. So I'm up 132 on the day. I caught the rejection off of the VWAP. It's what we call a VWAP fade opportunity. Maybe I could have gotten a little bit more there, but I'll take the win. Up 132 on the day, slowly grinding my way up here. XRF is running. Yeah, this one's pullback to the VWAP is interesting to see if it's going to bounce right here at 340. This is where I would look for it to bounce right there at 340. We'll see, but that's where I would look for it to bounce if it's going to bounce. We'll see what happens. We're kind of battling it. The spread's kind of gnarly. But yeah, XRFF is running here. KTOV heading down to $1. Yeah, BRN is getting rejected too. Yeah, choppy market though right now. TBIO. Yeah, like I said, we'll see if XRF can hold there. And we got HRE or HYRE. We got DTSS moving a little bit. I'm looking at the scanners right now. EVGN. We got AMD. AMD's looking like what we call a fake out fade. So we're moving up to 430. You could risk off at the top of this candle right here at 436. About 9 or 10 cent risk right now from where it's at here. I don't know if I want to take it though. I mean, I'm doing pretty well today. This is my P&L so far on the day. So not a bad P&L. Kind of bouncing back up too. Alright, market's continuing to move up here. Glad I didn't jump in that AMD trade. Look at the market here, guys. So the market is continuing to move up. Let's trade a little bit on Webull, shall we? Let's trade a little bit on Webull. Let me get a Webull out here. Alright, what else do we see popping off here? Oh my gosh, I just exited out of everything. Great. I gotta get the music back. I gotta everything back here. I'm trying to see what we see popping off. Hold on, guys. Alright. Now I can't even see the chat. Alright, I'm in here. Alright, I'm back. EVG in. Come on. Come on. Too small, too low liquidity. What else do we got, guys? What do we got? What kind of penny stocks do we see making move? KTLV dipping down. We got what else we got? What penny stocks do we have moving here? I'm trying to look to see if I can trade some on Webull, but I need some cheap stocks. APYX. What else we got? What's the one that I traded today? I can't remember what I traded today. Plug. PLUG was one. Man, I missed 690s. BRN is another. I'm gonna look at a plug here. What was the other one? GNUS. A lot of people talking about GNUS. I like this dip though for Genius Brands. We're gonna look to dip buy Genius Brands right here on Webull. See if I can hurry up and get in. Alright, just to show you guys, I'm trying to dip buy Genius Brands on Webull. There we go. Buy. We're gonna just try marketing this thing. I gotta unlock. I gotta unlock it. Alright. There we go. We're gonna buy Genius right here. Buy. 100 shares. Boom. Filled. Alright, we're filled at 276 for Genius Brands. We're break even right now. Exactly break even. We're gonna look to see if we get a move back up to 290s, 295s here. But we are filled with our 100 share position. Wish us luck, guys. I'm holding Genius Brands. Let me see if it'll fix this. There we go. Alright. We're gonna see if we get a bounce here for Genius Brands. Alright, we're up a few bucks in GNUS. Like I said, we get a little bit here, we'll be fine. And like I said, as I'm sitting here, guys, if you want to, let's go ahead and do the Audible giveaway. So you guys ready for round 2 of the ebook giveaway? The Audible ebook giveaway. Who's ready? Free trading books. Today we're giving away Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. The first trading book I ever read. You guys ready for the next giveaway? These are the rules, guys. These are the rules. The prize is a free Audible ebook gifted to your email address. As long as they have it on Audible, we'll send it to you. You can either name one out or we'll give you Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. The first person to call out the number that I say, I'm going to say a number. The first person to type that number in the chat wins a free ebook. Okay, that's how it works. All right. And you must give me your email for delivery. I'll send you our Discord link and you can just privately message me your email and I'll send you the ebook for delivery. You guys ready? Yeah. Boom. Filled. Yes, sir. GNUS no bueno. If I lose on this GNUS trade, it'll be my first loss in penny stock land today. I'm just looking to see if it holds this VWAP previous high of the day level. But you guys ready? We're doing the coveted ebook giveaway. We're giving away one ebook today to a lucky member of the chat. Again, I'm going to say a number. The first person to type that number on my end, like the first person I see on my end that types the number that I say, wins the free ebook. And I'll take a picture so you know I'm not kind of just randomly picking somebody. You guys ready? It's not 7, Netron. It's not 7, man. You guys ready? All right, let's do this. We're doing the ebook free giveaway. Not a random number right now. No, guys, I'm going to say a number. I haven't said a number yet. Don't start putting in the chat. I haven't said a number yet. I'm going to wait. I'm going to say a random number. You don't try to pick the random number. I'm going to say it. And then the first person to repeat it to me after I say it wins the ebook. We're not just going to guess random numbers. That's too... All right, ready, guys? The number is 9. The number 9. 9 is the number, guys. First person to type the number 9 in the chat today wins a free ebook. You got to just message me your email address in Discord. The number is 9. What? JA wins. Unless he randomly said it before. Hold on. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, my bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to Ja and John Akron. Both of those. Both of them said it. I'm gonna go ahead and give it to John Acro and Ja Blackman. Where'd he go? Yeah, I'm gonna give it to both of you guys. So you guys here? Are you able to collect your prize, guys? Are you able to collect your prize? Like I said, I'll go ahead and post our Discord link. Yeah, I know. I'm unmuted now. My bad. We're back. Yeah, I know. All right. So, if you are a winner, let me know what ebook you want. We'll give it to you. There we go. I know. I'm back. Sorry, guys. Here. Alright. Like I said, I'm giving it to Ja Blackman and John Akron. Both of those guys said the number 9. I know Ja said it a little bit early, but I'm going to still give it to him. And then I'm going to give it to John Akron because he was the first person after the competition. So, like I said, if you want to be a part of, if you want to be in this giveaway, join our Discord. I'm going to post this Discord here. And just send me an email with your email. Or send me a message with your email. Here's our Discord. Here's our Discord. Join up. Send me a message. You get a book. You get a book. You get a book. I'm like the Oprah of trading ebooks. You know, you get a book. You get a book. You know, we're gifting books to everybody around here. But no, yeah, so y'all send me the email address and I got you. James. Who's James? Where's a James? I don't see a James. Here, let me see. There is no James in here. Who's James? Did I say James? Nah. Job Blackman and what's his name? John Acro are the winners. And so y'all send me a message on y'all send me a message on Discord. I got you. Alright guys, so yeah, you're probably right, Nancy. Honestly, you're probably right. Alright, so we're almost break even now for G and US. We're kind of break even now. So this is looking better for G and US. We're still holding it. Who's James, though? Oh, look, there's James. Alright, guys. We're getting some moves here. Let's do this. And y'all make sure you subscribe because I'll try to do one more giveaway today. Maybe one more. Everybody's James now. Alright, guys. Like I said, message me on Discord. Hey, send me the book you want, guys. You guys ready? The winner's here. We got John Acro and we got Ja. Y'all here? What's my P&L? In penny stocks on Thinkorswim, I'm up about $70 today. About 65 bucks on Thinkorswim. On TAFs, I am up 132 bucks today. So not a bad day so far. Currently I'm holding G and US completely break even on Weeble. Yeah, I said Ja, not James. I was confused. I was like, who's James? Kenny? I said Ja, J-A, basically. All right, we're green on the stock. We are green on G and US for the first time today. But we need the winners, man. Where's the winners? Did y'all join our Discord? I'm not seeing the winners anywhere, guys. Where are the winners at? Ja, John, where y'all at? I'm gonna do another giveaway too, but you know, you gotta announce yourself. I don't know if Weeble's just slow or what, but it says I'm up $1.50. Is Weeble just slow here? I'm not sure. AMD and MU big time reversals. But I'm holding G and US. There you go. There you go, John. Hey, y'all join the Discord, man. Here's the Discord link. John, y'all send me a message so I can give you your prize. Because the last time I did a giveaway, everybody said I never sent it to them. So I'm going to try to give these things away like right now while we're on stream. I did one already. I gave it to him already. Yeah, everybody's James all of a sudden. Everybody's James all of a sudden. Hey, what's up, John? John Acro, what's your name you're sending me in Discord just to play it safe? The game was a scam to get your email. Nah, email's not that valuable. You know, no offense. You know, but email's just not that valuable. But yeah, I know, but here, tell me. Alright, I want to make sure it's you, Netrider, to make sure nobody's like messaging me trying to get the free book. So I'm gonna make you say this in the chat. Where is Ja? Okay, there you go. Alright, cool. Alright, I got you. What book do you want, Netrider? Or what book do you want? John, do you want Market Wizards by Jack Schwager? That's the one I gave away earlier. Do you want Market Wizards, John? That's probably my suggestion. You can find Trading in the Zone for free on YouTube already. No, Adam, you're too late, bro. Alright, so we're break even right now. Yeah, but I can't find Ja. I can't find Ja. I don't know where Ja went. He's not here. Ja, where you at? Are you here, sir? I'm looking for Ja. What kind of book do you want? What? What do I think of Steven Ducks? I don't know enough about him. I'm not gonna. I think that he shows his statements, which is more than most people do, but I don't know enough about him. I've heard good things, but like I said, I don't know enough about him to say good, bad, you know, whatever. All right, Kirk. I see what you're doing there, bro. Yeah, everybody posted 9 right now. It's late. You want Market Wizards? Pick out an ebook. I can't find Ja though, so we're gonna have to, if he's not showing up, we're gonna have to give it to somebody else. Alright, we're getting a drop again here on G and US. I'm still holding it. Alright, Market Wizards. Alright, I got you. I'm sending it right now. There you go. I'm sending it right now. I'm just going to call you DC from Beginner Trading today. Boom. And your gift is sent, bro. You got the ebook. There you go. I just sent it to you. Congratulations, John Acro. Congratulations, brother. You won. Oh. Alright, I just sent it. Congratulations. You won. Alright. We also have, but I can't find Ja. Anybody know where Ja went? He's gone, man. He won. I told him I'd give him the book, but he's not here. Nah, sorry. I'm looking for you. Alright. Back to trading, guys. Back to trading. It's time to be serious. Look at AMD start to rip up here. I'm still holding G and US, 100 shares, small position. Look at AMD, guys. AMD breaks this high up here. I'm gonna go long. He said I could have it. Yeah, everybody's saying that. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Let me see. Mr. 94, Michael, Shiv. Thank you, guys. Welcome to the team. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the support. We're holding GNUS here. It's not moving too much, though. But if y'all want to check out Webull, Webull has the dopest of dope platforms ever. Probably the greatest platform in the history of trading. No, I'm just kidding. It's a good platform, though. If you want to check out Webull, let me save these as the ebook giveaway. Alright, I'm going to save the rules. But yeah, if you want to sign up through Webull, listen, if you sign up, I think if you deposit $100, you get a free stock just for signing up and depositing $100 into Webull. They have free commission, free option trades, and in my opinion, they're much better than Webull in general. Like, look at how much better this platform is, just to show you guys. Like, look how much better this platform is than Robinhood, guys. Like, you want a better platform than Robinhood? Webull's the one. Far better than Robinhood. Way better charting. If you're in the US, I think this is the right platform for you. Look, we got stock screeners. Look how much better this platform is than Robinhood. Seriously. Look at how much better this is than Robinhood. Free commissions. Free options trades. Way better charting. You can add indicators. They actually have candlestick charts. Just a far better platform with free commissions, free options trades, and you get a free stock if you deposit $100 and sign up. It's a great way to help support us. We're currently holding 100 shares of GNUS, 100 shares, just right, pretty small right now. We're going to give it time. But if you want to sign up to Webull, I'll post that link here and you can check it out. Here's the link if you want to sign up. There's the free stock. Like I said, you sign up, you get a free stock. We're about break even right now. Hello, I'm trying to learn how to trade options. I mean, we got some options content. I mean, it's not like a ridiculous amount or anything, though. We're mostly just stock traders here, though. We trade a little bit of everything. Alright, market's reversing pretty big here, so I'm looking at MU right now. I'm looking at MU. I'm still holding GNUS, but I'm looking at MU on this reversal here. I'm going to jump in with 300 shares of MU. 300 shares of MU, trying to catch a breakdown here, down to like 75. Not going to scale out, I don't think. I'm going to, maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, but I'm in a MU with 300 shares. We're going to see if we can get it down to 75. GNUS is popping up here. There's 80s. You know what? I'm going to take half off there. I'm just going to protect it. Hold 100 shares. See if we can get it moved down to 50 now. Maybe test the low of the day. There's 79s. I'm about break even on my GNUS trade. I'm trying to give it time to work. 78, 77s. 76. Maybe I should have held 75 here for MU, but I'm gonna get out here. $148 on the day. Taking some scalps here. I caught the move. I don't mind jumping back in it, but we're still holding G and US on Webull here. About break even right now. You can see I'm down 50 cents from this trade. Part of me wants to just take profits really fast if I do get profits on Webull, just so I can say every penny stock I traded today I was green on, because up until this trade I hadn't lost in penny stocks yet. Take an options trade now for the fans. Yeah, for sure, Tart. 100%. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can use Webull in the UK. I'm not 100% sure, though. You want to ask them. And listen, if you're outside of the US, you can use TradeNet and TEFs. Now, TradeNet and TEFs, it operates kind of like a prop firm, and there's a lot of benefits to using that. Like this platform here you see is TEFs. Luckily, I was grandfathered in since I already had an account, but they no longer accept US clients for the funded account program. So like this is TEFs, and like the way it works is you buy a package, right? You pay for a package. It's not a deposit. You're actually paying for a package, right? So in this case, you get for their basic package, it's $400 for their basic package. It's called the intro package, and with that, you get 14,000 to trade with once you're approved for the funded account program. So once you're approved, it comes with a course and a demo account and access to their chat room, and then as long as you haven't signed up too many times before and you're outside of the US, they don't accept US clients into the funded account program. But if you're in Canada or if you're in the UK, you can sign up for the funded account program through TEFs, and you get 14,000 to trade with no PDT rule, shorting ability so you can short stocks, and a lot of other cool stuff. Again, it operates like a prop firm, and so you take the 14,000 they send you, and there's a 70-30 profit split. And so if you make $1,000 net, if you turn that 14K up to 15K, they're going to take 30% of that, which is $300. You're going to keep the other $700. And then there's a $700 max loss, but it's ridiculously cheap relative to the price. Like you're spending $400, you're getting to trade 14,000 with no PDT rule, and you can short stocks. It's mostly mid and high cap stocks, so there's not many penny stocks to trade on there. And so you do want to understand that if you're looking to trade penny stocks, there's probably not that many to trade on TEFs and TradeNet. So you want to understand that. But if you want to trade mid and high cap stocks like me, there's plenty to trade. And like I said, I just think if you think about the entire bundle, especially if you're new, 14,000 to trade with, course, demo account, chat room access, a lot of cool stuff. Even if you're in the US, you still get the course and the demo account and all of that good stuff. You just don't get the funded account program. But if you want to check that out, there's the link for that. Yeah, and that's called TradeNet and TEFs. And like I said, people hate on TradeNet and TEFs. The reality is it's the cheapest. Most new traders, to be honest, are just going to lose, right? It doesn't matter where they go. Most new traders are just going to lose, right? And so if you make a new trader save up 25 grand, you're basically ensuring that a new trader is going to lose 25 grand for their first experience trading, right? And I think that's where TradeNet and TEFs makes a lot of sense, because you're spending $400, right? You'll probably lose that too, to be fair. But if you lose it, it's not the end of the world. A lot of times new traders end up saving up thousands and thousands of dollars just to lose, and I think it's just an objectively cheaper way to get started. But obviously I'm going to be biased in their favor, because both Webull and TradeNet and TEFs, if you sign up, I make a commission. That's one of the ways we keep the live stream and everything like that free. We don't charge for a service or anything like that, but these are both good ways to help support us. All right, so I'm up in my GNUS trade. I'm up. It's spiking up here. And so, like I said, we're up $6. How many shares am I holding? I'm holding 100 shares. How many? Yeah, 100 shares. Okay. I'm trying to use a market order on Webull just because it's easier. What's up, Sid? I'm green on the day. I'm up about $150 in my TEFs account. Had 3 green trades in penny stocks on Thinkorswim. Alright, so we're getting a breakout here for GNUS, a beautiful VWAP bounce setup. I talked about this too. So no, if you lose, you're out the $400 you pay for it. That's it. You know, so if you lose it, you're just out the $400. If you lose over $700, they're going to close you down, right? So say you take the $14,000 account and you get under $13,300, they're going to automatically exit your positions and close your account down, even if it's in unrealized. And so you can't lose over $700. But again, you're paying $400 for it, so you're paying almost half of that. So good risk reward, I think, in trading terms. All right, so we're making some money here for GNUS. I'm trying to be patient with it. I'm gonna hold the rest break even, so this isn't gonna be a losing trade now. I'm just trying to scalp a little bit off the top. This is a very small account on Webull. It's like a $700 account. Yeah, Mitch took the day off, Sid. Oh, here you go, Jared. Hey, message me, brother. Message me, man. Alright, so like I said, we're going to hold this one break even, just so I can say I traded all penny stocks and I didn't lose it all. No, you can't trade options on TEFs and TradeNet. You can trade options on Webull, but you can't trade options on TEFs and TradeNet. I'm probably going to get out of here. I'm going to hold this one break even. Yeah, I already answered that one, Sid. Basically, if you lose over $700, even in unrealized, they close you down. It's TradeNet and TEFs. TEFs is the platform, TradeNet is the package, right? Because technically it's an educational package. And then if you're outside the US, a lot of the time they're going to funnel you into the funded account program. But technically it's an educational package. So it comes with like a course and a demo account, chat room access. And then if you're outside the US, they funnel you into the funded account program, which is where you get all that $14,000 account and all that stuff. But if you're in the US, you can't get access to the funded account program because of regulation, I'm assuming. Yeah, here's the link if you want to check it out. It's TradeNet and TEFs. Yeah, and it's similar to a prop firm. But like I said, if you're in the US, you're not going to be able to sign up for the funded account program. You can still buy a package, and it comes with a course and a demo and all that stuff. You're just not going to get access to the funded account program if you're in the US and sign up. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let me see. Alright, here you go, Ja. I'm sending you the book right now, bro, if you're listening. You're getting it right now. Alright, here you go. Alright, there you go. I just sent. You probably can. PRI, but you want to ask them, brother. Just go to the link above and ask them, man. It's gonna be up to them. I'm not exactly sure who they accepted, don't accept. I'm just a referral partner, and so reach out to them and ask them, because I'm not 100% sure about all the different countries they do or don't accept. I'm pretty sure you can, but like I said, reach out to them and ask them. I see it, Sid. Kind of. I mean, I just think the risk reward is good, right? Like, you're spending $400, you're getting 14,000 to trade with no PDT rule. You can actually short. A lot of new traders can't short because you need a margin account. Again, only outside the US can get access to the funded account program, and there's no penny stocks that are actually tradable on there. So, like I said, you want to understand that. If you're doing it to trade penny stocks, you're gonna have a pretty disappointing first day, because there's not that many penny stocks to trade. But if you're trying to trade mid and high cap stocks, like I said, I've been trading on them all day, and this is them right here. I have a larger package though, but yeah, that's them. BRN, any hope? I don't know, man. It's tough. I mean, I think looking to see if it holds above the $0.50 at 150 makes the most sense. But who knows? Hey, see you, Bubba. Later, brother. Hey, nice, man. Congrats, bro. Nice work, dude. I'm trying to be patient with GNUS. I'm not going to hold it too much longer, though. And remember, guys, hit that subscribe button, click the bell. We turn on notifications every single day on YouTube. And so remember to hit that subscribe button. Like I said, a fun fact, about 45% of you have not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. We do this live for free every single day on YouTube, right here. So if you haven't already, subscribe now, guys. We definitely appreciate all the support. And if you could hit the subscribe button, it definitely means a lot. So Jay, so I'll tell you this, right? So people always ask me, how do you keep emotions down in your trading, right? The way you keep emotions down is you take it slow. And one of the biggest things that will help you stay calm in a trade is if you build yourself a trading plan before you enter that position, right? If you build the plan before you get in, you could follow it like an instruction book, right? It's do this here, take profits here, exit if it goes here. That's it. That way you're going to have a very objective standard to follow, right? To where if you're kind of eyeballing it while you're in the trade, it's going to be a lot more subjective, a lot more stressful, a lot more emotional. And so if you want to get around emotions in trading, if you want to be less stressed in your trading, just build a plan before you enter the trade and stick to that plan so it's easy to follow. So you're not guessing, you're not changing your plan so that you can morph it to what you want to happen. But instead, that way you're protecting yourself if... I'm going to take 1 second here, but that way you're protecting yourself if it goes against you, right? And you know exactly what you're going to do. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Cynthia. Welcome to the team. I appreciate it. Welcome, guys. I mean, I don't know. CMEG is going to have commissions. It's all a little bit different. CPAP, everybody's a little bit different. I'm probably going to get out here. I said I was going to hold it break even, but this is going to be my risk level at 72 right there. We break underneath that, I just gotta exit this thing. We're just gonna see if we can bounce at the VWAP like we did. There we go. Alright, I'm trying to wait and see what we're gonna do here, but yeah, to add to that, trade small, 100%. Like, right, a lot of the time new traders get too emotional because they're trading too large. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Bradley. Welcome, bro. Appreciate that. And if y'all want to check out legitimately the best scanners, like if you saw me today, I made a lot of trades based off of the scanner movement on trade ideas. Legitimately the best scanners in trading, in my opinion. And so if you want to check out the same scanners that I'm using, super customizable, dynamic, up-to-date, real-time scanners. If y'all want to take advantage of those scanners, check out this link. This is the link to the scanners I'm using. Alright, so we're about break even in G and US. I'm trying to be patient, but we'll see what's going to happen. But I appreciate all the new subs today. I really do. Thank you, guys. I don't know about CMEG group. The fees are just going to be too high for me. You know, it's not the same as like TradeNet or TEFs just because you're spending far more. Like TradeNet and TEFs, you spend $400. You know, in a small risk relative to everything like that. With CMEG group, it's like you got to deposit thousands if you want any type of reasonable trading, and you can day trade penny stocks without. You can day trade penny stocks without going to CMEG group. Like I day trade penny stocks every day. Today I've traded 4 times today with penny stocks, and I'll be able to trade more times tomorrow. And so you could day trade penny stocks without the PDT rule on a US regulated platform. If you're trying to trade penny stocks, that's what you do is you can trade them. I've been trading every day. Like I said, I traded 4 times today. If I had to follow the PDT rule, I wouldn't be able to do that. And so unless you're specifically trying to trade mid and high cap stocks, I don't see a point in CMEG group, you know, and you know what I mean? I just don't see a point in it because, again, fees are up there. You have to deposit thousands and thousands of dollars. It just doesn't make sense to me. But if you're looking to just trade penny stocks, I mean, like I said, I can trade penny stocks on TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim multiple times a day without worrying about it. Yeah, once you learn how to use it, Felix, it makes a lot of sense for sure. Yeah, I'm using TD Ameritrade right now. But like I said, you see me trade 4 times today. How am I able to do that is because it's a cash account. The only way you're restricted by the PDT rule is with a margin account. And so if you get a fast settling platform like Thinkorswim, hey, I appreciate the sub, M. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the sub, man. Welcome. U.S. Airlines? You mean American Airlines? I'm assuming you mean AAL, right? AAL's just kind of the lagger behind some of these moves. Market's just crashing today, guys. I mean, market just dropped most of the day. Like, we're getting some moves, but you know, market's just been dropping. It's been a tough time overall for the market. No PDT rule on pennies. I got a video for you, Kenny. And y'all go check out Mitch's latest video. Mitch dropped a video on the top 4 penny stock biotech companies. Y'all go check out the link. That's the link for it in the chat. It's the top 4 penny stocks to buy. Really great video. Y'all go check it out. There's the link in the chat if you want to see it. We also have, like I said, if you want to see how you day trade penny stocks with no PDT rule, I'll post this link here. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. This is just wasting time here. I'm going to get out of it for a small profit, and I'm done. And so I made a little bit of money with G and US. It's just consolidating too much here. But like I said, if you want to use Webull, if you're in the US and you want a free stock, you can sign up and deposit $100. Get a free stock on Webull. All you got to do is deposit $100 and... But yeah, if you want to get around the PDT rule, just go to this video I'm about to send you. Like, I can day trade as much as I want. I've day traded, like I said, I've day traded 4 times today. Here, I'm gonna tag you in it, Kenny. Watch that video. Yeah, there's the link right there. Just go to that video right there. That's how to day trade penny stocks with no PDT. Well, I'm gonna close it down, guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I didn't lose once on penny stocks. I traded 4 times today in penny stocks, made money every single one. I think I'm up about 60, 70 bucks on the day, so not too bad. Made a little bit of money today in penny stocks. Not bad for a small account. You know, it's been a frustrating time because of Thinkorswim's nonsense last week, but looks like we're finally bouncing back. Like I said, guys, before we close it down here, if you want to use TradeNet and TAFs, if you're outside the US and you want access to that platform we talked about earlier, I'll post this link. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already today. We do this live for free every single day on YouTube. And so if you want to, continue to join us, we'll be back live tomorrow morning. Have a good day, team. We'll see you guys next time. Good luck in the markets. And appreciate all the love and support. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Y'all go check out Mitch's latest video. I'll post this link one more time. It's the top 4 penny stocks to buy. And great video. Here, go check it out. Here's the link. And have a good day, guys. Hey, thanks for becoming a member, Felix. Shout out, brother. Appreciate that. BRN is spiking right now, guys. But thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a good day, team.